Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best interest rate I can get through Lendio. When I first started looking for business funding, I was overwhelmed. Banks, online lenders, different loan types. It was a lot. That's where a marketplace like Lendio came in. It's not a direct lender, which is a crucial part. It's a platform that connects you with over 75 different lenders. This means the interest rate you get isn't a single Lendio rate. It's the best rate you qualify for from one of their many partners. My experience taught me that the single biggest factor determining your rate is the type of financing you choose. If you are looking for the absolute best possible interest rate, your goal should be an SBA loan. Lendio's partners offer these, and because they are backed by the Small Business Administration, the rates are highly regulated and competitive. I've seen typical APRs start from around 10.00% to 12.00% on the low end for well-qualified borrowers. But here's the reality. SBA loans take time, often a month or two, and they have strict requirements, including a high personal credit score, usually 640 or better, and a longer time in business. Now, if you need money fast, like I did for a sudden inventory purchase, you look at a short-term business loan or a line of credit. The rates are generally higher because the risk is higher and the term is shorter. For a term loan through a Lendio partner, I saw rates expressed as an annual percentage rate, or APR, starting around 8% to 10% for very strong businesses, but they can easily go up to 36% or more if your credit or time in business is less than stellar. The great thing about the line of credit is you only pay interest on what you use, and those rates can start similarly low for the best applicants. Then there are options like equipment financing, which uses the equipment as collateral, bringing rates down. I saw some of these starting as low as 7.5%. The bottom line for my personal journey is this. The best rate is tied to your business's financial strength and the loan's risk. To get the lowest rate possible through Lendio's marketplace, you need to present the strongest application. That means having a high personal and business credit score. 650 and up is ideal, solid, consistent monthly revenue, often $8,000 or more, and a long time in business. 2 years is often required for the best rates. Lendio's value is in letting you apply once and seeing multiple offers side by side, so you can actually compare the lowest APRs their network can offer to your specific profile. But the lowest rate always belongs to the most secure loan type, like an SBA loan, provided you qualify. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.